Hello, this is me, Luis Alberto Gracia, English student to Universidad Virtual. This is the family I'm going to present for my speaking class. This family is really well known around the world. It's the Flintstone family. When I was a child, I used to see this TV program, this TV cartoon. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy it because this cartoon is about a family, two families, okay? The main character is Pedro Picapiedra and his wife Vilma, right? His daughter is named Pebles, and his dog, but it's not a dog, it's a dinosaur. I don't remember the name of the of the pet. And the other family, the Pedro's best friend is Pablo. Pablo's wife is named Betty, and Pablo's son is named Bam Bam. He's really strong. Okay. Well, Pedro Picapiedra is an unhappy man for his job. He is unhappy for his job because he works in a special place where people break stones, right? Well, the only part of the cartoon where you can see Pablo that is happy is when he gets home. Vilma is a lovely woman. Yes, is a lovely woman, and Pebles is really cute, right? Uh, Pedro is I think that he's an bitter person because of his job. This cartoon is recreated in ancient times in the Stone Age. It's in the Stone Age because everything is made by stone, right? For example, the cars are made by stone. Okay, the houses, all the places, and the instruments, yeah, are made by stone, yeah, the material, right? What more can I say about this family? They are really funny. The episodes are really funny because Pedro smiles and he laughs in a very good way when he is happy. He has a lot of problems here in the series, in the episodes, and may sometimes he fights against Pablo because Pablo is a quiet person. He's totally different, the opposite to Pedro Picapiedra, right? They live in front of each other, right? I remember, or maybe next to each other. But well, as I told you before, it's a really nice cartoon. It's old. I enjoyed it really much when I was a child watching this TV cartoon. And this is my opinion about this famous family. Yes, the task of this speaking activity. Okay, okay. Bye bye. Take care.